Hello everyone, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome to another weekly live room results video. Yep, I said it correctly. So we know it's been a retracement week. We've been waiting for a retracement in many pairs. That doesn't mean anything. You already know that we do the top-down approach every Monday and we will continue. And today I chose gold, oil because they are a little bit left behind, and a couple of more pairs to check. Now, on the beginning of the week, we had a bounce here on a very powerful trend line. Price tried to break our resistance area. It didn't as a retracement, and then we had that trend line break. Breakout strategy, as always, from here even, that was like 30 pips. You got your win-win scenario. Maybe you got stopped out with 56 pips. But also, if you trailed your APO on a higher settings, you might have stayed even higher. Whatever the result, we have more than 3 times our APO on gold. We have oil. For those, of course, on the live room, if you remember, on higher settings, we were on kind of a range situation here. We had a false breakout, big wedge, and when we saw price crashing, we said, okay, let's go for the bounce here. So for those, of course, who like bounce strategies, what we had here was a really nice opportunity. Of course, we go to lower settings and adjust our line here. You could have gone easily with a classic approach, and even with pending orders, that would be like 20 pips. And you can see with the 20 pips of an APO, this is very powerful, more or less. Let's say last position is already 250. So that means only on oil we got 12 times our APO, and that is a good thing, I think. So you see here, when you are in doubt, like I said on the live room, when you have a big wedge, either you wait for a breakout or you can always bounce straight within that wedge. In this case, because we had also this small range here, we didn't like it that much. So at this level here, when we saw the bounce, this was really nice. Of course, you should already be in and stay in as long as possible. On GBP CAD, we were waiting the breakout. It happened. This was the first one. We had another one. Some of you are already in, as far as I know. This was again like a 50 pips of an APO, 180. Maybe you got stopped out with 100 pips, more than 3 times again on GBP CAD, our APO. Last one is EuroCAD. Again, you can see our trend line here was broken. We followed the rules. Entry opportunity, kind of a little bit rangy here, but if you got in with lower settings, even better. 40 pips of an APO, plenty of room. Price reached already 120, retraced. If you trailed your APO, probably you are stopped out, but again, at least 3 times our APO, or in total with our 3 positions in EuroCAD. We already have positions running. We have some pending orders from previous week. We will see how everything goes, of course, after a top-down approach on Monday morning. So for this week, we had 21 times our APO in total. So I think that's okay, that's good. It helped us a lot, oil, because of the bounce, but that doesn't matter. The numbers don't lie. See you again on Monday morning, again with our top-down approach. Let's see what's next week is coming up. Have a beautiful, beautiful Sunday and see you again, everybody. Bye bye.